Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing process for this Maxi-Cosi Axis Toddler. It's a swivel car seat. As my son is growing taller and taller, I decided to replace his car seat to another swivel car seat as the one you're looking at on the screen. And I got this on the 25th of December 2018. It arrived yesterday, that was 28th, and that was pretty fast. But what caught my attention in this is the fact that I got it for £100 when I bought it, and now on the 29th it jumped up to £240. And if you go to John Lewis, the price has gone up to £180. So I think this is more like a market strategy. Another promotion is going to come up, it's going to come down. So if you've been thinking of buying these and you see the price, going up as it's gone up right now, by the time it comes down you just want to jump on the promotion. It's just more of like a marketing strategy anyway. The main purpose of this video is the fact that I want to unbox it, and the package is already arrived. Let's take a look, and here it is. As I said, it arrived yesterday. The only thing I noticed is the fact that the box is kind of dented in some aspects. You can see somewhere here and here, and probably this is more of like during the transportation or something. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I'm going to share with you. And one thing I can see here is the fact that it's this is made in Portugal, product of Portugal. So it has already been in UK. So once I place in the purchase, they just have it transported to my place immediately. So let's get started with the unboxing process. Sorry, I'm doing this recording myself. Let's carefully open. Alright. See what we've got in there. Packaged. And there you go. Well, this is probably about 30 kg if I'm not mistaken. It's quite heavy. Don't. All right, I'm able to pull it out myself, and there you go. Gonna be taking out the plastic wrap. Here I've got the manual. Alright, I'm just trying to locate the opening part of this plastic. I don't want to use the blade to cut it because I don't want to make a mistake cutting the fabric of the seat itself. Probably gonna turn this upside down. Alright, I think the opening point is just right here. Alright. And now this is what happens if you have to do something yourself. Okay. Always good to have the support. Now I've got it opened up. It looks pretty cool. Quite a lot of instruction on the side, some signs that you need to observe whenever this is in operation. And it is Maxi-Cosi. We've got some booklets, some manual. It's locked to the seat, to the seat belt. Probably just need to cut this part off. Alright. Register to enjoy forever, ultimate warranty. So we need to go through this. I've not gone through this. As you can see, we're doing this unboxing together. We've got the manual booklet, and all the details are inside. You just have to go through them probably before installing and putting the car seat into operation. And this is one other document that I've got here. English warranty, I believe, EN, something like that. We've got some further instruction. I think some other accessories that you can actually purchase online. Summer cover, pocket cup holder, and sun canopy. And probably I'll get that some times later. But that's just it for now. I think some functions that one can easily see here is the fact that you can push this here. I think that is to extend the belt or something like that. But I'm going to be doing another video to cover that aspect. It looks kind of cool. It's a bit high. I think this will fit enough for my 2-year-old boy. And that will be all for now. And please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment below, and whatever I discover about this, I will let you know. Here's another point. I've not really gone through the manual at this stage, but whatever I discover, I'm going to share it with you guys later on.